Okay, so we're going to be taking you through McKenzies Extension for the lumbar spine. This is a useful exercise with anyone with low back pain, and this is one I highly recommend to almost every single patient that they should do every single day. So I'm going to be taking you through this exercise, how to perform it, and common errors that I see. So in order to do this exercise, the best way to do it would be laying prone face down onto the ground. So what I'll be doing as I perform this exercise is my hands will be at my side like this, and I'm going to be arching my back upwards and then going back down. And I'm going to repeat this at a high reps, 10 to 15, and I would like to perform this every morning and evening and multiple times per day. Some common errors that I'll see are people will extend way too high, lifting their hips off of the ground. When you do that, you start engaging your core and the lower back can't relax. So extending only until you feel like your hips are off of the ground. Some people will also have their heads downwards like this or too far back. So everything should remain in a neutral position, extending upwards and back down. If you're unable to lay down on the ground, there is an alternative method to this, which can be done standing. While it is helpful, it is not as effective as laying downwards because you have gravity. Gravity is no longer affecting your spine. So if you were in a standing position like this, the goal is to have your hips extending forward and reenacting that same arching of your lower back. However, it's not a back extension like this. You're not extending backwards. If you have a wall available, that's actually ideal. So having your forearms placed on the wall, taking a step back, and then arching your hips to the wall and returning back to a neutral position. If you are starting to feel pain on one side versus the other, for instance, let's say my pain is on my left side, I'm going to be pushing my hips forward into the right in a diagonal position and going back to neutral and repeating 15 to 20 reps. If the pain is on your right side, you do the opposite, pushing forward into the left, centralizing that level of pain. And that's how you perform McKenzies Extension.